Hey guys, welcome back to another Max Adventures video. And something looks strange. Wait, I know. There's a lot of blue. Nah, just kidding. It's been a long time. Excuse me. Since we have done a flight simulator video. Especially real flight simulator. Oh my god. I'm so sorry guys. I'm not feeling too good today. For the past couple of days, I've not been feeling good. I can't even talk properly. That's how bad it is. But, anyways, let's just get in with today's video. Worst intro ever. Anyways, let's get started. So, in this video, I will be trying to do different stunts in different planes. Though I haven't got the pro version yet, I will be getting it sometime. But with the 3 planes we have, I will be trying to use them and see if I can do any tricks with them. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So I should have get loaded up while I was talking about me not feeling well. Anyways, let's just take off this giant bird made out of metal and some mechanics with people that need to come and fix it every once in a while. So yeah, let's try and do some tricks and see if we can pull them off. Oh no, take off. Ouch. Okay, there we go. Now let's up. We almost crashed. Go up. I might need a different camera view to do this. But we are going up, ladies and gentlemen. We need to be very high to do this. So I'll try and go as fast. How do you guys say it? As fast as I can. And yeah, okay, we are already overspeeding, but we do need a whole lot of speed to get up there quick. So, wait, this should probably slow me down. Going up. Okay, there we go, slowing me down a little bit. So, let's try and get very, very high. Okay, this should be good. Now let's first try with the barrel roll. This should be easy. Okay, this plane has survived a barrel roll. So now we need to get a little bit higher for this next one. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now we're gonna try and go upside down and come back. So let's see if we are able to pull this one off. Ooh, this is getting close. Ooh, we didn't manage to do it. But let's get on with the next plane. And so we almost did it. And yeah, so it's the barrel roll worked, but the others didn't. So the other one didn't. So this looks like suicide. Anyways, sorry. Let's get on with the next plane. I think the next plane will be able to do the stuff that we couldn't, but we have to see. So let's get the Bombardier CRJ 900, my friends. I'm so sorry, guys. This must be the worst video you guys have ever seen, but well, I can't I can't stop coughing. So sorry, guys. My well, 20,000%. I am so sorry. And my phone just inverted. Guess we're going inverted then. Okay, I'm trying to fix my phone. Now it should work. Okay, I have fixed my phone. Okay, so let's go. Wait. Okay, so now let's go and see if we can do the same stuff in the Bombardier CRJ 900. Ooh, tail strike. That tail strike wasn't very good. But let's just try and do the stunts, I guess. The tricks, whatever you can call it. So yeah, let's just slowly tilt it up so it can get a little bit high. Trying to do this quick so I don't make this a 20-hour video. This video is already 7 minutes long and we're already in the second thing. But anyways, without further ado, go sideways. Don't mind that. Barrel roll complete. So the barrel roll is complete. So now we need to be going over speed for this one. So let's try and see if we can do this. Go in this. So now we're losing a lot of speed. But we should be okay. So we are gaining speed. Concerning. Okay, good. So we have done those two tricks that I wanted to initially do. So let's get on with our last and final plane of this video. So yeah, please comment down below your favorite plane. I really want to know. Yeah, okay, so the 340. We have the 340 with us, the sub 340. So yeah, let's just do it, I guess. Okay, finally I have fixed my phone now. I was actually playing my phone inverted. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm trying to get away from the mic. But let's go take off this sub 340, however you guys say it. I just like to say 340. So yeah. Ooh, no. Okay. Now let's go high up in the sky. Okay, I think we're fine for this plane. Ah! Ooh, that was close. That was really close. We have survived the barrel roll. Let's go on with the loop. So let's get a little bit high. That was very close. The barrel roll was very close. We almost hit the ground, but we were good. So I want to get to like about 10,000 feet. So let's quickly go up to 10,000 feet, and I'll see you there, I guess. Remember I said something about 10,000 feet? Yeah, I changed my mind. Well, I think this should be fine, but let's try and do it quick so we don't run out of speed. Let's quickly do this and see, is it possible? Is it possible? Is it not possible? Ooh, I think this is gonna be a close one. Oh no, it's not gonna be a close. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So now we need we quickly need to leave this. Let's quickly leave. Okay, so now I have to rate. So the Airbus A320-200 has only passed one trick, which was the barrel roll, and it could not do the loop. It stalled out, and yeah. So let's move on to the Bombardier CRJ 900. Oh, excuse me. 900. 900, yes. It has passed both the barrel roll and the loop. So good job. Let me just quickly clap. Yeah, okay. So next was the Saab 340B. So it passed both the loop and the barrel roll. So yeah guys, that was today's video. That was really it. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Peace out.